I'm kind of thinking.
How many seconds?
Well, I didn't do the second thing, but it might need a no rev coil.
I'd put one in if it was me. Like on the website, when I read about this saw, they said yes, it has a rev limiter, and I think they said it was at 90. It's about 9,000, 9,100 or something. And they said, so if you replace it with this number of coil, it does away with that. But he said this has one of those rods that's all hollowed out, and he said, I don't know if I'd let it wing up to 13,000. It could cost you a little bit.
Yes.
But he said, yeah, see, as soon as you start it, it pops that little thing off anyway. So I'm still wondering if that's it. Or maybe the seals got lubricated enough they quit leaking. I don't know.
Okay, I want to film you trying that a couple times. That's.
Let's see if I can grab the throttle, I think.
There you go. Hey.
How long?
Here, do the rev limiter.
Hits it pretty instantly.
Instantly, yes. That is way snappy.
And it's not jetted terribly off.
No.
You see that? It's turned it blue that far.
We're pretty close.
And considering it has no high-speed adjustment,
Yeah.
you know,
That is whoa. Like really whoa. That is.
it might run okay, huh?
Yes.